Today I'm going to show you how to turn on print release. What print release does is it sends your document to the printer, but it doesn't print it until you get there. This is really good if you have something confidential that you don't want someone to accidentally pick up, or you just don't want your prints to get mixed up with someone else's. So first, to turn on print release, go to your Start menu and click on the Settings button. Then click on Devices, and then click on Printers and Scanners. Then go down and find the MX6580, click on that, and then click Manage. Go to Printing Preferences. Finally, go over to Job Handling and check the Print Release button, then click OK. When you turn print release on, it's going to turn it on for everything that you print. So if you don't want to use it, you'll need to go back in and turn that off. You can turn it off by going through the same steps that we did to turn it on. Next, I'm going to show you what you do when you actually get to the printer and you're ready to print out your document. Once you've logged in with your user number, click Print Release. It'll bring up a list of all the documents that you've printed. You can just tap on one. If you have Print and Delete the Data selected, it's going to delete that out of the copier after it's printed. If you uncheck that, it'll leave it in there so you can print it multiple times. Also, there is a Print Black and White button, so if you accidentally send something to the copier in color, you can tell it to print in black and white instead.